The Yellowstone Volcano Observatory, run by the U.S. Geological Survey, keeps a close eye on the area. Researchers use a combination of seismographs, satellite imagery, and GPS sensors to track ground deformation, which can indicate the movement of magma. In a new study led by Dr. Michael Poland, the scientist in charge of the Yellowstone Volcano Observatory, and researchers analyzed 20 years of data on Yellowstone's uplift. The results show periodic cycles of inflation and deflation, likely caused by the migration of magma and hydrothermal fluids. Yellowstone is dynamic but not currently erupting, Poland notes. Our data suggests that magma is recharging, but at a much slower rate than would be required for an imminent eruption. At Toba, a team from the University of Cambridge used zircon crystals found in volcanic deposits to study the accumulation of magma. Dr. Clive Oppenheimer, a volcanologist on the team, explains, "Zircons are like time capsules. They tell us how long the magma has been sitting and evolving before it erupted. For Toba, it took thousands of years, which is in line with what we see at other supervolcanoes." Supervolcanoes don't erupt very often, but when they do, the results are devastating. An eruption like Yellowstone's last major event, the Lava Creek eruption 640,000 years ago, would bury the western U.S. in meters of ash, destroy infrastructure, and make vast swaths of land uninhabitable. Globally, the consequences would go far beyond ashfall. Ash clouds would block sunlight, triggering a volcanic winter. Crops would fail, leading to food shortages. The cooling effects can last for years, disrupting weather patterns and ecosystems. The Toba eruption provides a glimpse of these effects. Studies of ice cores and sediments suggest that the eruption caused a significant drop in global temperatures, potentially reducing the human population to as few as 10,000 individuals, a genetic bottleneck that shaped our evolution. Rutgers University atmospheric scientist Alan Robach simulates such a scenario in climate models. He warns, "The food supply chains we depend on are vulnerable. A volcanic winter could lead to widespread famine, even in areas far from the eruption."